Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Wintertime can be kind of a doozy as a parent because your kids are bringing home all kinds of crud. Well, this year we've tried Zarbee's cough syrup, mucus, throat, and nasal. I'm really happy with the results of these and how they helped ease my kids' symptoms when they had colds. I like that this is a multi-pack. You have one for daytime and then the one for nighttime's got chamomile in it to help your kids sleep better at night. This is a really thick syrup. It has dark honey in it. You can see how on this dosage cup, it really sticks to it. So that's what it's doing to your child's throat. It's just helping to coat and soothe the scratchiness. I do think it really does help ease any kind of throat discomfort, any kind of nasal drainage. The nighttime one definitely helps my kids sleep at night. So if you're looking for a safe and natural solution to just kind of help your kids get over those nasty viruses that they get in the winter, you should definitely give Zarbee's a try. And that's my point of view.